how to fix TikTok app rewards not working issue on your TikTok application. To solve this issue, first of all, open your TikTok application. From there, select the three lines on the top right corner and select Setting and Privacy. Now, from here, scroll to the last and hit on the Report a Problem. Now, from here, select TikTok Balance. Now, choose Reward Withdrawal Issues and then select any of this option. At last, you will see an option of Is your problem solved? From here, select No and hit on the Need More Help. Now, here on the live chat section, you can briefly describe about your issue that your TikTok rewards are not showing. Once you send this, TikTok team will help you out and solve your issue within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.